Alright guys, we got a box. But reading by the title, you'll probably know it's already in here. But we shall see, we shall see. Come on. I bought this on Mercari. This is the only one they had in stock. And it's not the kind of vest I have. It's the vest the drivers get, not the helpers. And I wanted the helpers, but it says Bradley. But I'm going to change the name tag on that. I'll put my name over it. I'll put Cooper over it. Here's the vest. Assuming I bet it was from someone that's named Bradley that retired or something. But I'll put my name over that. And and I'll put it on, and I'll be right back, so you can see what it looks like on me. Guys, I got it on. As you can see, it fits. It fits, but my name's not Bradley, of course. It's Cooper, so I'll change the name on that. But I'll show you the back side. If I could get an angle. Whatever. I was trying to show what it looks like on the back. Oh, it's face back. So yeah, here it is right here. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. That's my new Republic Services vest. I have to replace Bradley with my name. That's all I have to do with it. So, yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.